Hello, now I am going to show you how to complete the homework for the business informatics. The homework you will find it in the module course. I have already downloaded it. First you should open the Word document which was named as HSWT thesis unedited. Okay, this is the file which we need to format according to the instructions. So the instructions you will find it in the PDF file. The PDF file is also available in the module course. So you can press the Windows button and left arrow button for dividing your screen into two parts. It is easier for seeing the instructions and the Word documents easier. So first thing we need to do is save the documents with the name thesis.docx. So we can do it with the save as functions. The save as options you will find it file tab. After file tab we can go to the save as and we can select the browse for saving the destinations. So I want to save it in the desktop and I can write thesis.docx and I can save it. So first things is done. Now I have to do these things and I have to do these styles in the Word document. So here it is clearly stated that format the title and headlines by applying and changing the styles. So we must use the styles tab. You will find style under the home tab and we have to do everything using this tab. We cannot do anything by using the font tab or paragraph tab. So before starting everything we should select all the text and change it to the normal text. It will be easier for us for doing it easily. So I can select everything with Ctrl A and I go to the style steps and I change it into the normal. So first thing we have to do is title font size 24 bold highlighted in pink. So this is highlighted in pink and I have to format it as title and the font size will be 24 bold. So under the style steps I will find title. I have to right click on it and then I will find the modify button. Here I have to change the font size into 24 and I have to do it bold. Okay, the first thing is done. Now I have to format the normal text. The font of the normal text will be Times New Roman and the font size will be 12 and the alignment will be Justify. So I again go to the styles. Here is the normal. Again right click on it, go to the modify and select the Times New Romans for the font. The font size should be 12 and the alignment should be Justify. Here is the this is the options for Justify alignment and I press OK. Then headings 1 font size 20 color blue highlighted in green. So the headings 1 should be with font size 20 color blue and highlighted in green. So I go to the style, I select heading 1. So this is the heading 1. I right click on it, then I go to the modify, then I make the font size 20. I select the color blue. This is here you can see that it is written automatic. This is for the color. I click on the arrow and select the color blue. So now highlighted in green, the greens the text which are highlighted in green, we should select it and make it to heading 1. So this is highlighted in green, so I select there and make it heading 1. And this is also highlighted in green, so I go to style and make it heading 1. Yeah, this is also instructed for format as heading 1, so I selected it, go to the style and select heading 1. So this is done. Heading 2, so for the heading 2 the font size should be 18 and color will be green, highlighted in light blue. So I go to the styles, right click on heading 2, then I select modify and I make the font size 18, font size 18, then I go to the color and make it green. Okay, so now the text which are highlighted in light blue, I should change it to heading 2. This is highlighted in light blue, so I select it and make it heading 2. Then this is highlighted in light blue, select it and made it heading 2. So this one is also be the heading 2. Okay, now this is done. Here is a task I didn't do it earlier, now I can do it. The headings should be numbered, so for numbering the headings I can go to the paragraph tab. Here this is the multi-level list numbering, so I can select it and select this format. This is for numbering the headings. So if I select it, then my headings, heading 1 and heading 2 are already numbered. This should also be, yeah. So the next task is insert a table of contents on the first page break. The main text should start on the second page. So here I have to insert a table of contents and I should use a page break so that the table of contents stay on the first page and the main text start on the second page. So I can, for inserting the table of contents, I need to go to the reference tab. Here I will find table of contents and I can select the second one. So the table of contents is now in the first page and this main text should be always should be start on the second page. So I go there and I use a page break. I need to go to the insert tab. Here in the page I will find the page break option. So now this will start on the second page. So this thing is also done. So now I have to insert the two figures, find them in the module course folder. So I have to insert two pictures. Insert picture 1, I have to insert a picture here. For inserting picture I need to go to insert tab. Here I will find picture and I have already downloaded it, so I can insert it from this device tab, and I download it in the desktop. So this is the figure 1. Yeah, this is already inserted. And for inserting the picture 2, here I should insert the picture 2. So I again go to the insert tab, picture, this device, and I can select the picture 2. Then I have to add caption to the pictures. So the caption, find the information at the bottom of the document. So at the bottom of the document the teacher has provided the captions. I can copy it and put this caption with the picture. So I select it and copy it with Ctrl C, then go to the picture. So for inserting captions, first I have to select the picture, then I right click on the picture and go to the wrap text and select top and bottom. Then I can insert a caption here, and I pasted the I pasted the copied caption here. So now I have to group the picture and caption together so that this can always be stayed together. So first I select on the picture and then I press Ctrl and select the caption. So now both are selected. Now I right click on the picture and I go to the group option and make it into one group, and then again I go to the wrap text and make it in line with the text. Yeah, here I can delete the instruction. This is not needed anymore. Okay, now I will do the same thing for the picture 2. I copy the caption, select the picture, insert wrap text, top and bottom, again insert caption, sorry, I don't know how it is happening. Okay, now I again select both the caption and the picture with Ctrl button and select it. Now right click and go to group and I make it one group. Then I again go right click on the picture, go to the wrap text and make it in line with the text. So now this is also done, and now I need to insert a table of figures at the end. So insert a table of figures on the next page. So for going to the next page, what do? We always press the page break. So I again go to the insert option, pages, and give a page break. So here I can go to the reference where I will find the table of figures. So under the captions tab I can find insert table of figures. So the table of figures is here. So our next work to do is to insert two citations, find the information at the bottom of the document. So at the bottom of the document, there is a reference is given. We should make a citations from here. So for making citations, we have to go to the reference tab, and here I can find the insert citations. But before inserting citation, I have to make the citation. I have to prepare the citations, and this one I can do from the manage source. So I go to the manage source. So I can create a new citation and I can select a type. There are a lot of type, and the citation is given here is looks like a report. So I will select report, and then I will make the citation. But first I need to copy it so that it is easier for me to make the citation. So manage source, get a new citation, selected report, the title, so the author would be International Standard ISO. Okay, year is given here 1986. So publishers is International Organization of Standardization. And the city is Geneva. So the citation is already created. This one is the reference I have just created. So now I can go to the place where I should insert the citation. So here I should enter my citation, insert citation. Sorry. I can select it from here, from insert citation tab. I can, sorry, I don't know how I, okay, for selecting citations I have already created it, but I need to bring it from my master list to the current list. For doing so, I have to select the citation and press copy, then it will go there. And now I can select insert citations and I can select it. So this is here, and I have to put another citation, insert citations. I can still select here, again go to the insert, and I can insert it here. So the next thing is I have to insert bibliography at the end. At the end it is written that insert bibliography on the next page. So for going to the next page we have to do the page break, and we will find it in insert tab, pages and page break. And here I will insert my citations, insert my bibliography. So I will find the bibliography option on the reference, and here I will find the bibliography. I can select it. So format the text as a list. So there are some text which I should format as a list. Okay, so the following format list. So this text should be formatted as list. So first I have to select this text and go to the home tab. Under home tab, under the paragraph options, I will find these options. These are for list options, and I can click on the arrow button and find the list options. I can select one. I would like to select the ABC option. So the next task is to do format the text, insert a footnote in the information at the bottom of the document. So at the bottom of the document I will find the footnote. So this is the footnote. I will select it, Ctrl C, copy it, then I will go to the place where I need to press the footnote. So this is the place where I need to insert the footnote. I put my mouse cursor here, then go to the reference tab, and I will find the option to insert footnote. So when I click here, I will find a place where I write down the footnote. So I pasted the copied text here with Ctrl V. Then I have to insert two cross reference which will refer to the figures. So previously I have inserted two figures, and now I have to cross references the figure. So here is a figure, and here I need to insert the cross reference. So it is also, I will find a reference tab here. Under the captions tab I will find cross reference. So I select it, and from here I have to select figure, and obviously I will reference it, I will cross reference with the figure 1. So I will select figure 1, and I don't want to enter caption B here. I only want the label and the number, and I select it, close it. Then I go to the second figure. Here I should insert the cross reference. I put my mouse cursor here, again the captions, cross reference. I select the figure 2, and I only label and number, and I can press the insert. So insert a header which always show the first heading 1 of the current page. So for doing so, here is a hint is given, style ref, and so I will find the style ref under the footer options. So for opening the footer options, I just need to click somewhere up on the document in any page 2 times. If I click 2 times, I can open the header of the document. So here I will, when you do that, you will get a header and footer options. From here you can go to the quick parts, here the field options, and you have to find the style ref. Here is style ref, and here it is said that the heading 1 should be the style ref. So I will go to the heading 1, and I will select it. So the heading 1 of the page, like etymology, it is on the header 1, and in this page thesis committee is heading 1, so it is on the footer. It will be like this in all pages. The heading 1 will always be on the header. So now I need to insert a footer with source in the middle and the page number on the right. So I need to go to the insert options. Under the header and footer, I will press footer, and I will select footer with 3 columns. So in the footer, in the middle, there will be source. So where will I find the source? The source is given in the bottom of the document. Okay, so this is the source. I select it, and I will put it in the middle of the footer. I can do it in any page. then I need to put the page numbers. So again I'll select here. So always for opening the header or footer, we have to click 2 times under any page. If we click 2 times, the footer will be open, and if we click 2 times in at the upper part of the page, the header will be open. So here I select the right bottom corner where the page number should be. Here there is the option for page number. So we should not select the bottom of the page. If we select this, the other footer will be vanished. So as we select here, so we can select current position and we can select it, the page number will be here. So there is another last task. The last page with the tables of contents and figures should be in Roman numbers. So how can we do that? It is said that until this, the page number should be in Arabic number. Arabic number means 1 2 3 4 5, the normal numbers, and from here the numbers will be Roman number. So for doing this, we have to insert a section break. So we will find the section break under the layout option. Here the breaks option, I will press next page. So now I can unlink the page number of this page from this page. So when I select it, there is a link to previous, I have to unlink it. So now I can start a new numbering format here. So the numbering format should be Roman numbers. So when I select it, I go to the page number, I have to select format page number, and from number format I will select the Roman numbers. This is the Roman numbers, and I want to start it from 1. So I press 1 and this is done. The page number is in now Roman number. So this is the all which we needed to do for this homework, and I hope these things will also be in the exam.